everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who know me, welcome back. And for those of you who don't, I'm Pia and I'm your host for all things luxe. As you will have guessed from the title of this video, today we are going to be unboxing the Emma and Chloe Advent Calendar. We're not only going to be unboxing it, I am also giving one of these away to one of you. But before we get started, I thought I would tell you a little bit more about what Emma and Chloe is. Emma and Chloe is actually a French subscription box brand, and it's not your typical subscription box service, it's a jewelry subscription box. You can get a 1-month subscription, you can get a 3-month subscription, you can get different tailored made ones depending on your needs and wants. You're gonna have to excuse the construction site next door. Somebody's working next to us today. I first discovered Emma and Chloe back in 2020. So for my birthday, one of my girlfriends gifted me a 3-month subscription to their jewelry boxes service. And I completely fell in love with the idea. So when they reached out to work together on a couple of collaborations, I was more than thrilled to be able to bring this brand to you. Basically, what you'll receive is a box. Whoops. When you open it up, you've got kind of like very editorial style magazine that's gonna have like proposals on different Instagram accounts that they're loving, outfit ideas. They will team up with different brands, normally in the skincare section, to bring you extra goodies every month. So first thing you'll see is that, and then you're gonna get your Emma and Chloe box. You're gonna have to excuse me, it didn't come scratched. That was all me. When I was opening it, I opened it with my sister and went a little bit too deep, but the beauty is still inside. So when you open it up, you have a little pouch in there. It's a moonstone little zirconia gold-plated stainless steel bracelet. Really gorgeous piece, very timeless. I think something suitable for all. You are gonna have a part to adjust the chain, which is very nice. It's a really cute, dainty piece. Love it. You're not only going to get that, you also get, like I was telling you, every month they'll partner up with different brands, 2 deluxe sample sizes. So you've got a serum with an active energizing concentrate and then a Hydra Boost cream. And then the last thing that you're going to get on your box is a jewelry certificate, and they've all got a 1-year warranty. Now let's move on to the Advent calendar unboxing, shall we? Here's the calendar. First off, this is what you're going to get. It's a beautiful, quite massive 24-day calendar. There's a beautiful sort of constellation theme. I think this would look so lovely as a sort of decor piece, maybe sitting on a vanity, at a bathroom counter as well. And then honestly, just sitting next to a Christmas tree, that can be so lovely for the festive period. This is getting heavy, so let's move on to the opening. It opens up like that, so it's going to have that sort of classic Advent style. And as you can see, the boxes are quite big, so the products inside are very promising. Day number 1, you can fully take out the little drawer, and on this one, we're going to have an Atelier Emma et Chloe piece of jewelry. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It's a stainless steel yellow gold plated bracelet with 3 zirconias. This is part of their holiday collection. I think around this time of the year, we'll all need a little bit of extra sparkle. So I love the idea of the little dangling pieces in there. That is just so cute. That will marry very nicely with the outfits coming up this season. This is what it looks like on. As you can see, it also comes with a little adjustable chain. So cute and such a like nice way to open up the first day of the calendar. Day number 2, also gonna have one of those removable drawers. This one, we get all skin types serum, revitalized and smooth skin. You apply it to clear and dry skin, tapping lightly assist on the wrinkled features of the face and décolleté. You wait 3 minutes and then you apply another skincare. Really looking forward to try that, particularly because I have a trip coming up. Probably when you see this, I'll already be on my trip. It's in heavy, but it's okay. It's a lovely brunch trip, so you'll see all about that on probably the vlog after this one. And there's going to be a lot of going out and a lot of eating and a lot of fun happening. So I think something like this is coming with me on that trip. Moving on to day number 3, the Pomponne Baume and Blush. It's one of those sticks, and I guess apply it. I'll probably like pick it up with a little brush so I have a little bit more control what it looks like and with how much product I deposit into my face. It's like a vintage makeup smell. You know what I mean? Very nice. Day number 4 is quite a massive one. On this one, we've got quite a large sized box, and this is what there's inside. It's a Paul Marius leather pouch. It's going to have a little back section. Then there's 2 compartment in there. If you want to keep like your jewelry on different compartments while you're traveling, I think something like that could come in very, very handy. Moving on to day 5. This is the Kevin Murphy Restore Cleansing Treatment. And you get quite a big size of it, honestly. Oh, that smells delicious. So it's got quite a thicky consistency. I think this will come in very handy now during the winter months. So we'll definitely give this a go together, and I'll tell you what I think about it. Now on compartment number 6, let's see what we got in here. This is a self-bronzing complex, and it's going to have glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and self-bronzing. Interesting. Let's have a little look at what that looks like. I'm very intrigued. It comes from 100% natural ingredients. Honestly, the ingredients list is so short. This sounds like it's going to be a great ally. And I think that's definitely going on the testing products for this week. I've got here day number 7. This is another one, Atelier EMCL. So cute. Once again, stainless steel. Let's try on one of them. What can I take off here? I think it looks really lovely like that, stacked with other pieces. But then obviously, if I want to wear the pair, it's nice to know that I have it. I'm looking at the little advent calendar booklet, which explains every gift that you get, like how much it's worth, etc., etc. It says this is the Soya mini creole, which is mini hoop earrings, going to be actually sold. Say you don't want to get the full advent calendar, but you've seen a piece that you actually fancy, you can actually get it at their website. I will link the pieces that I showed today down below, and I will also link the advent calendar in case you want to get it for yourself or for a loved one. There's the code PIA30, which will get you 30 euros off of your advent calendar purchase. It's not a sponsored bit or anything like that. It's just a code for you because I thought you would love that, because we all love a discount, don't we? All right, moving on to number 8. It's a tinted lip balm with 91% natural origin ingredients. I love it when they have that little tubey end like that. I feel like it's a little bit more hygienic. Number 9 is going to be a mini of a product that I already love and adore. This is the Nuxe Huile Prodigieuse, and it's actually a face, hair, and body oil, which is composed of different botanical ingredients. This is a great product for travel. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I really, really love this one. And also, how cute is the package for it? I mean, love that sitting on a vanity. Always find that these advent calendars can be a great way to discover new goodies. You guys, I can't find number 10. Oh, it's the biggest one. Let's see what there is on number 10. So once again, removable little drawer. And on this one, we're going to have a makeup removal cleansing gel. And it says it's for all skin types, and it's going to add a little bit of hydration. It's got 90% natural ingredients, and it's a rinse off cleanser. Looks like a nice natural brand. Loving that little detail there with the packaging. Now for number 11, it's a South Korean French fusion brand. So I love when there's that fusion between skincare brands that just bring the best of different worlds together. It's an instant, perfect looking bare skin, more beautiful with every day. It's silicone free, it's not tinted, it perfects and enhances their skin upon application. I do have a fake tan on, so hopefully that will not undo it, but that's the texture. So it feels very lightweight. Oh, but my skin does look perfected. I don't know how much the camera will catch it, if you can see the difference, but in person, it's almost as if a blurred effect was applied to it without feeling sticky or heavy on the skin. It's also got ginseng in there, and it's non-comedogenic. Now, moving on to number 12, we have one of my faves again. This is going to be another piece from Atelier EMCL. What is... Oh, these are so pretty. The matching hoops to the bracelet I showed earlier. They're gonna go with this. That is so cute. If you're a lady that loves to match her jewelry, these are definitely gonna be up your street. And then if not, you can just wear them separate. I mean, if you do get the advent calendar, whether because you bought it with my code or end up winning the one I'm giving away. All the information on how to enter the giveaway will be linked on the description box down below. Let's try this one's on. That is so pretty. They're very delicate, very feminine. I love that with maybe just like a turtleneck like I'm wearing today. It looks so cute, so chic. Moving on to day 13, we're going to have a Garancia l'Elixir du Marabout. This is a concentrated serum. It's anti-imperfections and anti-age. You're supposed to apply 5 drops a day in the morning and then 5 drops a day at night. So it's got kind of a medium to heavy density consistency, I would say. It's nice that there's something for like different ages in here, because it cannot be easy to pick 24 goodies that adapt to all skin ranges, age ranges, preferences, etc. So I think they've done a pretty good job. In here we've got number 14, Crayon à Lèvres Jumbo Twist. Oh, I love stuff like this. What's your color? Ooh, very nice. So it's kind of a berry sort of color. Very, very lovely for this time of the year. Oh, that's lovely. So it's gonna give that sort of bitten lip tint type of shade. It also has a very nice scent. It clicks at the end. It might be brighter all of a sudden because the sun has come out. All right, now for number 15, there's actually quite a couple of goodies in there. Oh, I know this brand. This is so lovely. So you're going to get a couple of Cultiv. If you've been here around, you will have seen me take you to the launch. This is a skincare brand made in France, all with natural organic products, some beauty gummies. We're going to be testing out this ones later. And then you also get the Sublime face serum and face cream. On day number 16, there's another Atelier EMCL jewelry piece. Oh, it's a double chain bracelet. That is so cute. So this is what it will look like on. The little links on the chain have different sort of carvings in them, which catches the light just so beautifully. Not that I don't know if I'm gonna wait until day 16. I think after this unboxing filming is done, I'm just gonna take everything out and start using it straight away. For day number 17, we're going to have a couple of Rexaline products, which are the same brand that they partnered with for this month's subscription box. You get 2 of the night masking cream, but that also looks like a really good size to have on maybe your airplane bag if you're doing like a long haul flight. I think this ones will come in very handy very soon. Now for day number 18, it's a felt tip eyeliner from a brand called Charlotte Bio. When anything says bio in France, it just means it's organic. Can we just talk about how cute this packaging is? Oh, I love it. So adorable. It's got a very sort of defined little tip. This is going to be great for when you want to get that super like feline cat eye, very defined flick. It's in a true black color. For day number 19, there's this gorgeous Nailmatic sort of berry wintry shade for a nail polish. See if we can take it out. There you can see the color properly. It's got very nice sort of minimal packaging, just a little bit of branding in there. This would also look super cute sitting on a vanity. Number 20 is another one of the big ones. So on this one, oh, I love this. You guys have seen me talk, use, and praise this product 5 million times. I'm so happy we got some of these. Bioderma micellar water. It's the sensitive skin one. It's the one that I actually use. You get 100 milliliters on this one, which is the perfect one for traveling. And if you've never tested out this product, go home, throw your makeup wipes away, and only use this. I'll sometimes use some of their cleansing lotions as well, but the micellar water, it's something I cannot live without. There's always one in the 3 or 4 sizes that they make it in my vanity. And this particular one is coming with me to Milan next week. You guys, there's only 3 left to go. Oh my goodness, there's so much jewelry. So on day 21, we're also going to have another Atelier EMCL jewelry piece. So in here we've got Oh, it's a ring. Oh, it's a gorgeous ring with a sort of opened style that's going to have some zirconias on the bottom and then it's opened up at the front. Maybe I like it even more next to my wedding ring. I think they complement each other. Such a stunning piece and obviously marries really nicely with the rest of the jewelry pieces in here. For day 22, we've got one of the tall drawers. Eye contour for diminishing ride. Wait, what is ride? Wrinkles, obviously. Oh my goodness, I just had a little brain lagoon. It's got maca peptides and grenade. I'm sorry, I'm literally translating all this from French while I go. Oh, and it's an oil. So it says it's going to diminish under eye circles, it's going to diminish under eye darkness, and sort of refirm the skin around the eye area. On day 23, we've got a face cream. This one's a hydration, firming, and repulpé, which is kind of like replumping face cream. It says it's good for every type of skin. It's made in France, 98% of natural ingredients, and it's got probiotics in it. It's also organic. I feel like we've got a theme with the organic skincare in there. French skincare primacy products are so hyped in here. And with all due respect to my other loved luxe brands, I feel like all these products fall into the luxe category for me because the actual goodness that they provide to your skin is insane. I have some French skincare pharmacy products that I literally cannot live without. For example, the Bioderma micellar water, the Nuxe dry oil, and other goodies like that that I feel are so much up there and that deserve so much more hype. And now for the last day, we're going to have La pièce de résistance. So this is the final piece. I think it is so appropriate for the last day. It's gonna look so cute all around the holidays and even as a New Year's piece. It is so gorgeous. So you're gonna get, once again, a little adjustable chain depending on where you want it. I think a piece like this looks absolutely gorgeous over turtlenecks like I'm wearing today, but then also if you're wearing a nice cleavage, this would look absolutely exquisite. The type of zirconias in there also go into the same theme as the ones we saw on the hoop earrings, on the bracelet, delicate, dainty, and still kind of fun and sparkly bit for this time of the year. I think they've managed to pull together something very feminine, very girly, very nice for all ages, for all skin types, and obviously for all jewelry lovers. Let me know your thoughts about the calendar on the comments down below. And don't forget, with my code PIA30, you can get 30 euros off of purchasing this one, either for yourself or for a loved one. If you want to win it for yourself or for a friend, don't forget to enter the giveaway. I've included all of the details on how to enter it on the comments down below. All you're gonna have to do is follow my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, like the Instagram reel where I unbox this same advent calendar, and tag 3 friends on the comments. And that's it. I'll be announcing the winner over on my Instagram stories on Saturday, 25th of November. So do make sure to stay tuned for that date. All right, you guys, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're not done, I'll leave you 2 more videos so you can binge a little bit more. See you on the next one. Bye.